Hi there, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and welcome to my channel. Today we are exploring the beautiful beaches of Tarragona in Spain, and I invite you to join me. Please don't forget to like and comment your impressions of this place after watching this video. As we walk around Tarragona, let me tell you why it is worth visiting. This city is unique in its beauty, culture, and atmosphere. There are ancient Roman sites, winding alleys, just a mix of old and new traditions. But today we are particularly looking at the coastal part of the city. We cannot wait to see those stunning beaches. Along the coast, we will enjoy the view of incredible cliffs, vibrant waves, gold sands, and mesmerizing rock formations. I feel that this place has so much power and energy, it will take our breath away. And I'm sure you will be as inspired as I am. We will start our tour in the port area. Here we can watch ships that enter and leave the Portuguese. There are lots of cafes surrounded by cozy terraces and colorful umbrellas. Also, I invite you to try the famous Spanish paella and sangria. They are so tasty. In the further part of the tour, we will move to the Punta del Miracle beach. This beach is like a paradise for surfers, a wide open space for swimming and romantic sunsets. I would recommend coming here early in the morning to avoid the crowd and just drink in the beauty of this place. Nearby, I would also like to visit the Cala dels Mechanics beach. It's not as popular as the Punta del Miracle, but its beauty is no less. This beach is protected from the winds and waves, so it is also suitable for swimming, as well as for sunbathing. And one more beach that I recommend is the El Cerro beach.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!